Just judging by the questions and conversation, cover crops also being a big thing. Especially, I know we've, on the policy side, the new farm bill has generated a lot of questions about how are cover crops and carbon markets and all of that going to be involved in new farm program.
I would just comment that you made a comment on incorporating pivot bio into the wheat research, but in a bigger picture or bigger scope, I think there's just a lot of unknowns about biologicals in general. And I guess there's been several articles circulated within ag industry magazines about the scope of what biologicals look like by 2035. And I guess from a grower perspective, I'd just like to see more research on how does it impact at seeding and all the way through the growth cycle of any crop, whether it's wheat, corn, soybeans, etc.
Yes, definitely. Biology thing is, and I think, yeah, biology is definitely, I think, going to play a huge part of farming just in the future as we move forward, especially as we're just now learning more about it. Like, you know, in the past, we just weren't able to even look at the bugs that were in the soil. So as technology has developed and allowed us to even discover what's going on in the soil and now discover how that biology is impacting all of the rest of the crop nutrition and crop growth needs. It's going to be definitely a big focus of research moving forward. I think not just, you know, trying to test one product over the other, does this biological work over that biological, but just trying to understand how the ecology of the soil functions and how the plant interacts with the microbes. There's going to be a larger and larger conversation moving forward, and probably a large conversation in our cover crop panel coming up here too.